Yeah, we touched upon it. Right now, of course, the busiest travel day of the year all across the country.
And that includes both air travel and also on the roads.
Turns out the Bay Area, one of the worst areas for road traffic this time of year, too.
KPIX 5 reporter Kiet Do joins us now from San Francisco International Airport. Good morning.
Good morning. You know, in a couple of hours, the traffic getting into and out of SFO on the ground will be some of the worst in the country. According to a new report by INRIX, they're the traffic powerhouse based in Seattle, they are putting San Francisco in the top 3 for worst pre-Thanksgiving Day traffic in the country. They are saying that the evening commute will take up to 34% longer than normal. So that means the stretch on southbound 101 from the city to SFO will be especially bad in the afternoon and early evening. And they are saying if you can, avoid driving between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. today. A lot of people getting off of work early, trying to make it home for Thanksgiving. On to air travel delays. A cold weather system is making its way up the East Coast, bringing thunderstorms to Florida, rain and snow through Massachusetts, Maine, and New Hampshire. And the worst of it will hit between 2 p.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Time. According to FlightAware, 2,400 flights have already been delayed and at least 93 are canceled. For United Airlines, it is all hands on deck for their network operations center.
What can really hurt us is if the snow comes a little bit earlier, or if we get a wintry mix with some freezing rain. Obviously, it takes a lot more to de-ice airplanes and keep them clean and keep them safe.
And thanks to an improving economy, it's estimated that the number of people flying this year will jump by 1.5% over last year. That storm, by the way, should be done by Thanksgiving. Back to you.
So, Kiet, what about all the fees to change flights because of all the bad weather back on the East Coast?
You know, it looks like a lot of the airlines are doing the right thing, and they are waiving a lot of those change fees. Everybody from Alaska to Virgin, and they're doing it on some of the impacted airports like JFK and Boston's Logan. So if you're stuck, ask for the change fee, and you might save yourself some big-time money. We're live at SFO. Kiet Do, KPIX 5.